Hey guys, welcome back to
Life with the Sequeira.
Baby is still not well. She is recovering, and Hriday is maneuvering his way to put the tea powder. आराम से डाल भाई. Wow, wow, fantastic. Good, thank you. And Chester is also there down. Yeah, there's some construction work going on, so because of that, repair work, house repair works. And baby, what are our plans for today?
Coming on 1 second.
Yeah, 1 second. Come fast before the noise comes in again.
Yeah, sorry. I just went to get some ginger.
You're making ginger tea. Achha, what are you having? Ginger tea.
Yeah.
Any plans for today?
So, because of that medication, actually ना मेरे को बहुत नींद आ रहा है.
ऑफ कोर्स दैट वो मेडिकेशन की वजह से होएगा ही थोड़ा. तो यू रेस्ट, बट आप लोगों को कुछ काम करने का कुछ आज नहीं है ना. टू बाय द वे, टुमारो रॉडनी एंड मेलविन एंड नैश आर कमिंग होम. सो दे हैव ऑलरेडी आस्क्ड अस, रिच, वी वांट soya chunks and sabudana khichdi. So that is there because he's going to have only one meal a day. He's having breakfast and yeah, after that directly dinner. So itna kuch nahi hai. So tomorrow he'll come in the evening. So we'll have to just take care of the dinner.
I'll
And
feel better by them.
you'll feel better by then. We'll pray as well today. And और कुछ है नहीं अभी. देयर आर फ्यू एरंड्स दैट वी वर सपोज्ड टू यस्टरडे, हुआ नहीं तो आज करेंगे. तो बबू, आज का दिवस.
कैसा जातो?
Teas are getting ready. We have ordered from Little Bites. We have ordered क्या है वो, sandwiches.
मारूंगी ना तुझे. वीडियो में कर रहा है.
अरे नॉर्मल है रे, वो भूल जाते हैं रे. It's normal human. So we have got sandwiches. For you it's masala cheese toast sandwich, and for Hriday and me it's tomato omelette sandwich. And I've got vada paws also.
Oh.
Ours only. You need to eat more, baby. Considering चलेगा, वो बीच बीच में खाएंगे तो गरम करके खा सकते हैं हम लोग.
You want ginger?
Yeah, put in mine also, please. So our sandwiches are here. 1, 2, 3. 3 sandwiches are here, and the vada paws are inside. That we'll have later, so I'm not taking it out. This plate is for Hriday. This is his, so he'll have it. So Hriday's and my sandwich are the same. I'll just show it to you. This is called as a tomato omelette sandwich. If you can see, there's tomato and there's a tomato omelette in it. It's not egg, it's pure veg. And this is baby's masala cheese toast sandwich. As you can see, there is a cheese inside it. It's too hot, I'm not opening it. Baby is here with her coffee. Hriday, sorry, my bad. I'm used to saying baby coffee. It's tea. And Hriday is also here. And Charlie Coco are looking from there. We have to give them their food as well after we eat. Already had their treats. Chalo, let's say grace and start eating. Having this sari for dry cleaning, correct? Why can't we just crumple it? See this fellow. Why can't we just roll it and give it? Why?
रोलिंग उसका सीक्वेंस निकल जाएगा.
अच्छा, ऐसा भी है. ठीक है, holding it. Used to attach it to the on the door and all, वो सब करके नहीं होता है क्या?
Just hold.
Okay, I'll help you. Folded the sari and kept in the bag. Now you're going to give it for dry cleaning. One of the money errands. Chester, you also want to come down? Huh? Chester wants to come down. Oh, nice glaze, baby.
Thank you.
Show it to everyone. Oh, nice. Isn't it too small?
Someone gifted me.
Oh,
US.
oh, from US. Oh, nice. So now we are heading over to do some errands. Baby's sari is folded and is in that bag, and we're going to give it for dry cleaning. Wait, why is this noise coming? And from there, we are also going to our contractor's place because we need to select some designs. In this heat, we are going. हाँ चलो आवाज कर रहा था ये लिफ्ट हाँ why they kept tiles here?
अरे जब लिफ्ट का यहाँ से निकला था ना
Activa is here. So the dry cleaning place is not that far from our place. It's hardly 20 seconds right. We should reach there in 20 seconds. Hey, dhaba. And we've reached. Place is called as Wash 360 degree. Baby, are going and giving? I'll wait for you here. She's taking so much time, but look at this fellow here. He's just making himself comfortable, I guess. Ah, and he's fat. What happened, baby? Give? When he'll give?
tomorrow 8 o'clock.
Pakka, na? Chalo. Now we'll go to contractor's shop.
Yeah. Done finally, done with all our work. We selected, you like the color baby of
Ah.
the panels?
Ah.
We came to select the color of the panels. Finally we are done. Now we've just stopped to have some water and it's so
We'll-
sunny.
Yeah.
Traffic
Lot of
there.
traffic also here because the other gate is shut.
Yeah, some work.
We'll go home.
Yeah.
Go home and rest for some time here. Ah, headache. How are you feeling now?
I have no strength, like वो grip नहीं आ रहा, इससे ज़्यादा नहीं कर पा रही हूँ. तो little weakness is there, but should feel better with time.
ठीक है चलो we'll go home. She doesn't want to come home. She wants to go on a ride on her own by herself, and she says she wants me time. Bye. Hriday is filling all the bottles. He filled in all the bottles and he's filled the matka too, and he's filled the bottles and he's kept in the fridge. Darling, this you have to throw up. We can't use it.
So we are watching the Silver Jubilee celebration for Infant Jesus Church. I'll show you who all are watching. We have Hriday, we have Baby, and this fellow here. You are also watching TV, baby? Huh, Chestu? I got a reason to praise the Lord. Oh my soul. Chestu, dance. My God is alive. How can I keep it inside?
So So guys, this is where we end the vlog. It was a very short vlog, but this is what we did the entire day. And pleasant day. Baby is still recovering. By tomorrow she should be fine. We'll see. Please pray for her. So असं होता आमचा पूर्ण दिवस. हा व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल तर लाईक करा, कमेंट करा, शेअर करा आणि आमचं चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा. बाय.